So guys, summer is here and the one thing that everybody is going to wear now is t-shirt and jeans. That's what I mostly wear during summer. But the problem is sometimes when you're wearing just t-shirt and jeans, you look like you're lazy, you look like you don't care about your appearance. And that's not the message you want to send around to other people. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to look great in just t-shirt and jeans. And guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Anuj Datta, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification because it helps me a lot. And watch the video till the end because every single point makes a huge difference in elevating your outfit. So the first point is patterns. Now here's the thing, you should never wear t-shirts like these where there's something written on your chest because A, these are not called pattern t-shirts, and B, they're not stylish and they look like shit. Instead, you could go for patterns like stripes or a really cool print. That's okay. But every guy should have at least two plain basic t-shirts in their wardrobe. That is one black t-shirt and one white t-shirt. I mean, they're so versatile. You can wear it both formally and casually, and the amount of different outfits you can make from these two is just crazy. So in my opinion, every guy should have at least one black and one white t-shirt in their wardrobe. By the way guys, I was planning to make a video on different ways to wear t-shirt and jeans, something like a lookbook type. So do let me know in the comment section below, would you like to see that video or not? Number 2, and of course we have to talk about footwear. Now you can try to wear shoes that stand out. If there is nothing special in your outfit, which is usually the case with t-shirt and jeans, you can try to wear shoes that grabs people's attention. And it does not need to be too crazy or colorful. It could be something like these olive sneakers with red stripe on the back that grabs people's attention. Or you can wear boots. I would definitely suggest you guys to wear boots. I love wearing boots. You guys see it all the time on my Instagram. It just adds that rugged and masculine look to your outfit. And also if you guys are on the shorter side, it gives you an extra inch of a height, which is always a good thing. Number 3 is you need to start adding accessories to your outfit. These are going to make a huge impact when you're wearing just t-shirt and jeans. You can do whatever you want with accessories. And the thing is, when you're wearing just t-shirt and jeans, there's not much to look at. There is t-shirt and jeans, and maybe if you're wearing a nice pair of shoes, then there is that. But when you add a watch, when you add rings, a bracelet, a pair of sunglasses, it will add some detail to your outfit. Just look at these two photos. They're both the same outfit. But in the first one, I'm not wearing any accessories. But in the second one, I'm wearing a watch, a bracelet, and a pair of sunglasses. And you can see for yourself how big of a difference that it makes. Number 4 is tucking in and rolling up your sleeves. Look, 90s look is back in trend, and tucking in your t-shirt will give you that vintage vibe without spending any money. And you can roll up your sleeves because most of the t-shirts have longer sleeves. So you can roll them up, and what that's going to do is that it's going to add a little bit of detail to your outfit. Also, it will show more of your bicep and tricep, making your arms look bigger, and that's exactly what we are going for. Speaking of bigger arms, I have an arm workout video on my channel that you can do at home. So check that out right here, but after finishing this video because of course audience retention is a big thing for me. Number 5 is a simple one, get your jeans tailored. And of course I've said it 2 times already, but there is not much to look at in just jeans and t-shirt look. So every small detail matters a lot. Tailoring your jeans will make you look taller, slimmer. So just make sure that your jeans are not super baggy or super long, that it folds over your shoes, and get them tailored if you need to. 6th point is again a pretty simple one, take care of your grooming routine. Trim your beard once in a while to keep it nice and clean. Get a haircut so you don't look like a caveman. And now even the barber shops are opening, so you don't have any excuses. Take care of your skin and it will make a huge impact on the way you look. 7th point is taking care of your body. This is for all my skinny dudes out there. If you're too skinny, nothing is ever going to look good on you, especially the jeans and t-shirt look. And I'm not trying to tell you to become a bodybuilder, but just try to gain a little bit of muscle. Work out once a day. I even have workout videos that you can do at home. And that will make a huge difference on how the way your clothes fit you. And you know, fitting is very important. So guys, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, drop me a like down below, and I changed up the background. So do let me know in the comment section, should I continue over here or should I go back to my older background? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Turn on the post notification and follow me on Instagram. My username is @IAM_Anuj_Datta, and I will also leave the links down in the description box below. And until next time, peace.